If you want to search a table or a column with a specific value, like VLOOKUP function, we can do this in Power Query. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. Let's understand the theory first. The first thing is the table.contains is the function which we are going to use for this feature. It's about indicates whether the specified record or row appears as a row in the table. An optional parameter equation criteria may be specified to control comparison between the rows of the table. The syntax is table.contains, table as table, row as record, optional equation criteria as any, as logical. Example, table.contains, here they have passed a static value and the name is Bob. It's going to search the Bob throughout the table and returns the row whatever it has. So let's dig into the practical how it actually works. So this is my Power BI file and I just go to home and transform data, go to Power Query editor. Now I have this. So basically, let me zoom this. So this is, I'm using the same example which I used in my previous video for table.findText. It basically the list of people who has gold medal as well as the silver medal. So in that case, I need to find those people who has the gold as well as the silver, right? So what I did is just extracted a table, right click this one and a reference table, and then I right click this gold column and remove other columns. Now I have only the list of people who has the gold medal. And then what I did, again I right click this one and reference table for this one, winner list.contains. So I have these two columns. After that I just go to add column and then the custom column. If I did that, it's going to give me a pop-up window like this. Now what I need to do here is basically I'm just adding a table.contains functions. So for information, Power Query is a case sensitive, so you need to use the correct case sensitive things. So it is asking me for a table.contains, table as table, row as record, right? So I'm going to pass gold list, a table which we have just extracted, comma, and I'm going to ask the Power Query to look into the gold column inside to the gold list table. Like I'm going to use the open bracket and gold which is available in the gold list table equal to search for the values which is available in the silver. Like in this example, it will search, it will pass here Dua and then ask them to search the gold list table in the gold column for these values. So I'm going to use the silver as a column name. If you have noticed, the brackets without is a table and with bracket is a column. So I need to close the bracket and then close the again bracket. So basically what it is doing is it is searching for the silver values in the gold column of this gold list table, right? In the previous video about the table.contains, we are not going to specify a specific column. It is going to search all the tables. So if you have the large number of columns or large number of records in the table, inside to the table, then it will take a lot of time to search those things. In that case, you can use this one and specify a specific column name. So it will search on the table for the specific column for this required record. So once I do so, click on OK. It will just give you the list of values which is available here, like true or false. So let me sort this one. If I sort out this, it means Mike and Tom is only available in the gold list table. Rest of the peoples are not available over there. So now you might have wondered that we have the gold and silver separate lists. Why we need to search for those values? We can easily sort this table one by one and look for those values, right? But here's the point. Here in this, if you see here, the gold, I have sorted this one and also the silver is also sorted here. And if you look at these values here, is not matching. So it is not easy to justify that. because Akira is available in gold and not in silver. Dua is available in silver, not in gold. So in that case, even though it is sorting in alphabetic order, but it is not as per our expectation. So in that case, we need to use the functions like table dot contains in order to search for the specific column. If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.